Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little self-care maintenance because your girl has been trying to hold it together. We can't even talk about that right now, but I've been trying to hold it together, and I have not gotten my nails done in a little over 2 months. And as you guys can see, my nails are literally suffering right now. Like, they look so bad, but it's okay. Favorite company, BTARTBOX, has hooked your girl up and has sent me another pair of press-on nails. So I've showed you guys me using their products before. I have a reel and I have another full dedicated tutorial on my page. But you guys, I'm really hyped about this one because I was able to select from my favorite styles, and I am super in love, to say the least. So let me go ahead and give you guys a little sneak peek of how the nails look. Let me actually take them out of their nice little, hold on y'all, let me get this together. Okay, there we go. Let me take them out of their nice little sanctuary so y'all can see a nice little up close and personal of the nails, and they are so freaking pretty. As you guys can see, they have all different shapes and sizes, so you don't have to worry about if you'll find some that'll actually match your fingernails because they have everything for everybody. So I chose a more nude color. We are ending summer right now, kind of, sort of. And I just kind of wanted something simple, something that would actually match with everything. And BTARTBOX is super easy. They have so many different styles on their website. Like I said, last time I went with a more bold pop of color because it was more springtime. And then you guys can look at all the different various of designs on their site. And this is like a quick and easy, don't have to worry about going to the salon. You can do this at home yourself and still get salon quality. It's so funny because I was just in a wedding recently 2 weeks ago, and one of the bridesmaids was actually, she had pulled out, like literally while we're in the middle of doing hair and makeup, she didn't get her nails done and she was not even worried. I was like, what's going on? And she literally pulled out her press-on nails from BTARTBOX and did her nails literally in less than 10 minutes. And it was flawless. Like, oh my gosh, you guys. So once again, I will have everything linked below if you guys would like to check them out. They have all of the step-by-step instructions on the back if you guys would like to follow along to ensure. But first things first, I'm just going to soak these old nails off, and then I'll start the process of exactly what I'm doing to get these new press-ons on.
Girl, was tired of hearing the same song. And girl, my life was starting to fade without you around. But then you came along bringing something new. Showed the kind of vibe that I never knew. I want you here by my side. A little time, but the magic grew. I didn't see it then, now I see the truth. Girl, I realize, I think I'm falling. I think I'm falling into something special. Into something special, babe. I think I'm falling. Never saw it coming. Got just something special. Girl, I think I'm falling in love. Yeah, I think I'm falling in love. Yeah, girl, what you want, you can have it. You can have it, you can have it, you can have it, girl. Oh, it's wherever you wanna go. I can take you there. When you come around and I see you move, you get me in a trance like no one could. I want you here by my side. It took a little time, but the magic grew. I didn't see it then, now I see the truth. I realize I think I'm falling. I think I'm falling into something special, into something special, babe. I think I'm falling, never saw it coming. God, you're something special, girl. I think I'm falling in love. I think I'm falling in love. I think I'm falling into something special, into something special, babe. I think I'm falling, never saw it coming. God, you're something special, girl. I think I'm falling in love. I think I'm falling in love. Yeah. I think I'm falling in.
Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into these nails, baby, because they are tea. They are so freaking pretty. I love the shape of the nails. Hold on, gotta get all this extra. I was using a cotton pad to clean up the nails after I was done gluing everything on, just to get like all the excess particles off. But as you guys can see, like, these look super natural. And the thing about it is, I have a very small hand, or hands, very dainty. So like I said before I found out about this company, when I went to the beauty supply store, they had the big mumbo jumbos and they were not looking like it at all. They didn't last. I had to take them things right back off. These look extremely natural, like I just came straight from the salon. Now, I kind of wanted to get into both glue options that this company has, just in case you guys wanted to check either or out. So the first one, I'm going to go into the one that I actually used in this video. Now this has a longer hold. This one lasts about 28 plus days. So if you're one of those ones that are like, you know, I need to just have my nails done one time a month, I don't have time to go back, I have a really busy life, or whatever the reason is, there is another glue option right here that you guys can check out that's on their site. Like I said, this one lasts about 28 plus days. However, there's a small little difference. This one means that you're going to have to kind of drill this off. So the manipulation to get the nail back off safely from your natural nail is a little bit different than the other glue that you guys just saw in this video. Both options are perfect. This company is great. Like I said, you can't go wrong. They have so many different great options, as you guys saw earlier. Even within one pack of nails, they send you a plethora of different designs and colors, so you'll definitely get your money's worth. And I love it, y'all. I love it. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and put all the information that you guys need in the description box. You guys go ahead and check it out, plus the coupon code. So definitely go ahead and check it out. If you guys have tried them out before, let me know below in the comments, or from any of the other times that I've recommended them on this channel, let me know that as well. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.